what's up everybody, look, this is back. We are playing Tower of Hell, but it's not Tower of Hell. Today I'm going to show you guys how do you get free VIP servers just like this one right here. So it's really basically really easy right now. So all you need to do is you need to be on PC for this VIP server. It does work on work on mobile, I don't know, but it's PC application because it's an extension, so it does not work on mobile. Sorry for mobile users, it does not work. So I'm on PC right now. So I'm going to show you guys how do we get free things like those things what I was saying, right? So basically you need you know you need to download Roblox. It all this VIP server only works on Roblox because I told it will only work on Roblox. And so let's go into it and let's go, guys. So Quad is not lifting my calls these days, so I'm just telling him to lift my call. So let's go and I'll show you guys where is it. So this is the screen right here. You basically don't need any of this. So you go to the new tab and type Roblox Plus and just click enter. You're just going to search Roblox Plus and you will see this. So click on the first link which comes out on your screen, and now what you need to do is just go at click add extension. I already did it. So now when you're here, you can find any server which you want to play. Like now Quad is playing that server, so I'm going to show you in the easy way. So Quad is in basically in the VIP server which I just did right now. So what you need to do is go click on servers and now go scroll down. They will see these things right here. So you will see these things, not those all things. So now you only need to do is just go click this that. Keep on clicking on it, don't worry, it will come. Just wait till the server comes out so you can come it out. So keep on pressing on it till you find a server, like till you find a pro server or empty people server. It's okay when you can't find a people are in the server, it's okay, but it is only few people will be in the server. So this is the you need to click on this first to go to the last page, then you need to click this so you can go back and you can see where is the servers are. Now keep on clicking on it and we are going to see it in a few seconds. Okay, see there, right there, guys. So find it empty server, so like this right now. So I found an empty server which Kotsky is playing right now. I'm going to click play and open Roblox. So let's go, I guess. Okay, guys, you guys can see what I'm doing right now. So now I'm going to go and head on Roblox, and now you can see what I'm doing in Roblox. So you guys can see what I'm doing. It's just a black screen appearing, so it's nothing to worry about it because I am right here and I'm right here. So Kotsky is taking a time, so I'm going to show you the thing. So basically it's really easy. So it's easy if you get used to it. So all you need to do is go to VIP servers and out here go more, and I found a normal nice server. So just click open how do you open Roblox, just like that, and click it will come starting Roblox. So basically it will come like that, and boom, now you are in the game. Let's go see if it works. So if you want to play jailbreak in a VIP server, you don't need Robux. So it's really easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. I'm not lying, it will not work, but my Wi-Fi is really slow, so it's not working for me. I'm going to refresh the page right now, so let's see if it works right now. Yeah. Okay, go here. Okay, so no friends are playing. Click back and keep on clicking on it till you find a server. So keep on clicking on it. Yeah, yes, till you find the VIP server, guys. That's all. Till you find an empty server or a one-person server where you can play with each other, do 1v1 like that. Okay, why is it taking this much time to load up a server? Seriously, So okay guys, take your time, don't be raging because there are so many servers Roblox need to handle, and you Roblox even can't handle that much, servers. So found a game right here and click open Roblox. Now let's go and do this. Okay guys, I'm going to open the game right now. I'm opening the game. Boom, we are in the game guys. It's joining server. We are in the server guys. Guys, we are in the server. Right here. Guys, we are in the server. Like though people are in the server which in Tower of Hell. Now you can play all by yourself. Like nobody not going to disturb you and do those things. So you can do it by yourself. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.